Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Racing All-Star. Here we go, folks. He makes it past the first gate. What a way to start her off. Nice skill display here. This gives our racer a boost up the ladder.
If you can't throttle, I say stay out of the clouds.
He gets stuck behind a new leader, but this race ain't over, folks. Nice skill display here. This gives our racer a boost up the ladder.
I hope you're hungry, because you're about to eat my dust.
He takes the pole position. Nice going. Nice skill display here. This gives our racer a boost up the ladder.
They say I'm easy on the eyes, but I say I'm ruthless in the skies.
He has a good lead over the best time. Keeping eyes on the finish line is the best strategy now.
Wake up! You dozed off there, you were flying so slowly.
He drops out of the top position, but it's not too far away.
Normally, I'd be way ahead, but I thought I'd drop back for a chat.
He gets stuck behind a new leader, but he takes the pole position. Nice going.
Hey, I just want to say I really like flying with you. You know, it's fun to win an easy race once in a while.
He is surprised and left in the dust of a fellow racer here.
It's good to be racing. Nothing beats the feel of the wind under your wings.
Nice skill display here. This gives our racer a boost up the ladder.
Gotcha!
Mistakes are starting to take their toll. He is dropping back to a previous spot.
I hope you're hungry, because you're about to eat my dust!
He is going strong, comfortably flying. He drops out of the top position, but it's not too far away. He takes the pole position. Nice going. And this is it. What a race we just had, folks. I'm Colin Cowling, and